The experts at Lafayette Surgical Specialty Hospital are skilled professionals, but they're also compassionate caregivers. Doctors are dedicated to advanced treatment options with an understanding that patient care is personal. This is where healthcare meets hospitality.
When we built the facility, the concept was that we wanted patients to be able to come here and feel at ease. We wanted it to be a relaxed environment. If you notice the waiting room, we have some refreshment centers where family members that are waiting can go in and get refreshments. And so the whole concept was to create an environment where people felt relaxed and didn't feel like they were in a hospital setting.
The culture of the facility is just so warm and caring. It is somewhat of an extension of the way I want my office to feel, in that we want you to feel like we're taking care of you like you're a member of our family. And the staff here really does that, not just because this is their job, but because this is their passion.
You know, everybody here has a specific role, but when it comes down to the whole team, it's our goals are the same, you know, to give quality care for the patients. And I think the patients come here and expect that, the best care that they can get.
First of all, our surgeons are top-notch. They are remarkable surgeons. They're #1 in all of their fields. And the nurses here are the best group of nurses that I've ever worked with. I've worked at several other hospitals, which are wonderful, but I can say that nobody can compare to us. In the PACU, the team that we have is remarkable. One of our, because we're a specialty area, we try to do a lot of special things for our patients. One of which is when we have pediatric patients, we'll get the parents in as quickly as possible. You know, as long as it's safe and the privacy of other patients is instilled, it's perfectly fine. But we know that for a parent, it's traumatic to have your child in the back. And for a child to wake up and not see their parents, they need to see their mom and daddy.
We get a lot of comments, it wasn't as bad as I thought. Oh, it was so peaceful here, I could stay here all week. I did a great job controlling my pain. Look at that. And y'all came so fast.
I love sitting one-on-one with my patients and talking to them, not about their disease process, but what they want to do when they get out of here. They want to go back to their normal life, whether they're a farmer or an attorney. And you learn how to get them back to their way of life.
And we can do it at a fraction of the cost that the bigger hospitals operate at. It's a really special place. Patients and patients' families really have a good experience when they come here. Nobody wants to have surgery. Nobody wants their family member to have surgery. So when they do, we try to make it the best experience possible for them.
They go out of their way to talk about their wonderful experience they had during their recovery period here at Lafayette Surgical Specialty Hospital. To me, that's what sets us apart from any other hospital. It's because we're focused on the patient. We have brought the patient here to have a great surgical experience.
As one of the best places to work in healthcare, Lafayette Surgical Specialty Hospital is ranked among the top health providers in the nation. With a dedication to respect, fairness, and flexibility, hospital leaders know that high employee satisfaction means happier patients with positive medical outcomes.
Our nurses basically take care of 1 or 2 patients at a time, and so they're not taking care of 6 or 8 or trying to manage 10 patients at a time. And so the patient care here, I think, is really what drives the hospital's success.
I honestly tell people it's the best place to be as an employee and a patient. Happy nurses make happy patients.
And we treat everybody like their family when they come through here. I take care of patients every day, and I tell them when they're rolling back to the OR, they say take care of my family members. I take care of them just like they're mine. So that's how we do it.
The real focus is on quality, excellent patient care that is totally directed by the physicians. In other words, we as physicians have control not just on the direct patient care, but on how the hospital is run. We are able to have constant, effective input on how things can be done better, and everything that we try to do is geared to providing patients an excellent experience with the hospital and hopefully improve their ultimate care.
Lafayette Surgical Specialty Hospital. Excellence in patient care every day.